My name is Dr. Richie Ann Rodriguez, founder and medical director of Dermal Defence Corneotherapy Clinic. Now, you might be wondering, what is corneotherapy? Corneotherapy comes from the word stratum corneum. It is the medical term for the skin's topmost layer. Corneotherapy is not a new concept. It was coined by Professor Kligman in 1994. Now, this topmost layer is the skin's principal barrier system, and it is a highly complex system working to keep us safe. An event on the surface of your skin can trigger a domino effect that sends ripples throughout the rest of your skin. So imagine for a minute that your skin is like a house with a roof, and that roof is the topmost layer of the skin, or the stratum corneum. Now, inside that house are residents that I would call the Ministry of Defense. And in that ministry are several departments. So for example, there's a department that prevents the microbes from entering our skin. Another department might be responsible for preventing environmental aggressors such as UV pollution or radiation. Now, those departments are regulated by each other. They're connected and they are codependent on each other. They're like cogwheels in a machine. So if you tweak one, you affect the rest of the system. Compromised skin is similar to having holes in that roof. When you have a leaky roof, you can imagine how unhealthy and how vulnerable the residents inside the house are. And when that happens, that Ministry of Defense that I was talking about starts mobilizing its departments to start fixing the roof of the house. This then incites an inflammatory reaction, which now comes out as a skin condition. In essence, corneotherapy is the study of the topmost layer of the skin and the application of processes that return this barrier defense to its natural state of balance. What makes corneotherapy unique? Well, number one, corneotherapy is preventive. At our clinic, Dermal Defence Corneotherapy, we only use substances that are physiologically compatible with the skin. The advantage to that is that we are now able to delay or sometimes even avoid skin conditions that can otherwise escalate. So one example that I would give is my own son, who is now 6 years old. As a child, he had recurrent flares of eczema, and he got that from my side of the family. Now, when he was an infant, I used to apply potent steroids on his baby's skin, even at the earliest sign of a flare-up, just so I can avoid a full-blown crisis. But since I discovered corneotherapy, the treatment approach has changed for me, and knock on wood, it's been a year or more that I haven't given him a steroid, and he still has that baby skin, soft and supple. Another unique approach to corneotherapy is that it's customizable. So in our clinic, we have objective measurements as we analyze your skin. Now, one advantage to that is that we are always able to correlate our treatment approach with the status of your skin's condition at any given time. So we are able to adjust as to whether your skin is subjected to nutritional imbalances, as to if you are suffering from chronic stress condition. As you go through your different phases of life, whether you are an infant or postmenopausal, we're able to accommodate those changes through our treatment approach using corneotherapy. So you could be an infant with cradle cap, or a toddler with atopic dermatitis, or a teenager suffering from acne, or even just a dad who's just wanting a good shaving cream. And this is funny because this is our best seller actually. If you have challenges, if you're a postmenopausal woman who's challenged with vaginal dryness, we also have a product for that. So corneotherapy is appropriate for all ages and for all seasons. Another unique approach to corneotherapy is that it's sustainable. One of the services that we offer at our clinic is called dermal needling. So this is a way for your own skin cells to produce its own collagen. It's a way of exercising your skin, making it healthier in the long run. And so when this happens, you're able to produce your own collagen. Now, compared to other conventional methods, this is a more effective way of looking younger. because conventional methods right now would require you to spend an outrageous amount of money for who knows how long and until you get the desired results. But in this way, dermal needling provides you a more sustainable way of looking younger.